Do subscribe and click on the bell icon.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, cause you're desperate?
Hello friends, welcome to techtuto. In this short video, we will be discussing on WhatsApp privacy and more importantly on read receipt. So let's have a look.
First, go to settings and select accounts, and then again select privacy. So from the last scene to about, you will have same three options, and on the status you have three options too, but those three options are different from them. If I select everyone from the last scene, then anybody who saved my number will able to see when I was online last time. And if I select my contacts, then those guys from my contacts only able to see when I was online last time. By selecting the third option, nobody will able to see when I was online for the last time. Same option you can find on profile photo and with the about section. Now go to status. If I select second option, then I can able to skip those persons from my contact to whom I don't want to share my status. On the third option, I can share my status only with the selected person from my contact. On the block option, I can block a particular person so that he or she can't able to contact with me by anyhow within WhatsApp. Now if you notice that every time when you message to anyone, two tick mark will appear, which means the message has been received. After that, those tick mark turns blue, means the receiver read the message. Sometimes you have a situation where you are not able to give a reply, and that seems to be very rude. To avoid this kind of situation, you can uncheck this read receipt, so the tick mark will no longer turns into blue and it will help you to read messages without knowing the sender. So this is for today's video. Hope this video was helpful to you. Hit the like and do subscribe. See you in the next video.